Hello everyone, welcome back for engineering. I want to continue on shortcuts. Let's start. First one is X for explode. For example, we have this rectangle, select it and right click and it's done. Next one is offset or enter. For example, 0.25. Let's offset this circle. Next one is trim. TR for trim. Enter. For example, let's trim this part or here. Done. And X for extend. Enter. Let's extend this line. Left click and done. LI for layer properties. Here you can create layer, add layer, and I created a lesson about layer properties. You can watch it in my channel. And MI for match properties. For example, let's merge these two lines. This is the circle. Select the source object. This one. And it's done. We merge these two circles. Next is fillet. F for fillet. Let's use the radius. Give it 2 for example. Enter. Select the first object and the next second object. And it's done. Next is chamfer. CHA for chamfer. Enter. Let's use distance for our chamfer. From here 1.5 and from here 1.5. And select the first line and the second line and it's done. Next one is RA for region. Region is on, it looks like the refresh your AutoCAD to work smoothly is better. And the last one is D for dimension. Dimension style manager. Thanks for watching guys.